Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to restore your Snapstreak for free without paying anything. So basically tap on your Bitmoji in the left upper corner of your screen, then go to settings and scroll a bit down until you see support and tap on I lost my Snapstreak. Alright, and here you see Snapstreaks show you are staying close to your friends, snap each other once a day, and your Snapstreak will grow. A fire appears after 3 days of sending a snap back and forth with a friend. If you see the timer bit emoji, your Snapstreak is about to expire. So what best describes your issue? So how do I restore my Snapstreak? I'm trouble restoring my Snapstreak, and how do I request a refund for a Snapstreak restore purchase? So tap on the bottom on the first option, how do I restore my Snapstreak? Tap on it, and as you see, how do I restore my Snapstreak? If you recently lost your Snapstreak, you can restore it with one free Snapstreak restore, or within an app purchase from the chat feed of your conversation. So basically, when you just lost your Snapstreak with a friend, there pops up an option in which you can restore your Snapstreak totally for free without paying anything. So basically, just tap on that, and your streak will be the same as it was before. So you can start a new Snapstreak with your friend by sending a snap back and forth each other each other every day within 24 hours for 3 or more consecutive days. Please note, snap sent with memories or spectacles content to all Snapchatters do not count towards your Snapstreak. So basically, you need to send a snap just of your with the snap option, the white circle in the middle of your screen. Tap on that, send a snap, and this way it will count as a snap day or a snap which is eligible for a Snapstreak. Just send each other snaps to build a Snapstreak, and if you lost it, just tap on the restore button that pops up after you lost it, but you need to do it fast. You cannot do it a week after after you lost it. So previous there was an option that you could reach out to the support team of Snapchat, but that option isn't there anymore. Now you need to restore it manually. So the team has it a little bit easier, and it's easier for you as well. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.